Welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Children, today I'll take class 7th and we will study about exercise 2.2. The chapter is same only, that is fractions and decimals. हम लोग 2.2 start करते हैं. Question number 1 is C. Which of the drawing A to D show means A, B, C, D. 4 multiplication of fraction is given. In the last video only, in the previous video, we have read about multiplication of what? Fractions. उसी के ऊपर based ये questions है. अब आप देखेंगे first is what? Whole number से fraction multiply हुआ. Now what is written? See, 2 into 1 by 5. मतलब 1 by 5 2 times होगा. Let's see. This is what? 1, 2, 3. Means ये 1 upon 5 तो नहीं है? Okay. This one is and 2 figures भी नहीं है. Here 3 figures are there. अब ये वाला देख लेते हैं. 2 figures तो है, but is it 1 by 5? 1 by 5 तो नहीं है. 5 इसमें parts नहीं दिख रहे हमें. Now let us see this one. 1, 2, 3. It is having 3 parts, तो ये भी नहीं हो सकता. Now let's see the D1 part. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 1 is shaded, means 1 by 5. Okay, and 2 boxes are there, that means this is what? 2 into 1 by 5. So how you will match this? You will match this. First का हमारा आंसर क्या मिला हमें? Will get D. Right? This is what? 2 1 by 5. Let us come to the second one. 2 into 1 by 2. 2 into 1 by 2 is, now let us see which is 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means half. Half 2 times होना चाहिए. अब half 2 times यहाँ पे दिख रहा है आपको? No. यहाँ पे half is 2 times. Yes. So second का क्या आएगा? This is what? 2 times what? Half. Okay. So answer is B. Now let us see the third one part, that is 3 into 2 by 3. 2 by 3 जो है 3 times है. Let's see. First is what? 1, 2, 3. This is 2 by 3. कितने times आया है? 1, 2 and 3 times. Means this is what? 3 times 2 by 3. So what is our answer of third? Third is A1. Okay, now which picture is for fourth part? Let us see. 3 into 1 by 4. 1 by 4 जो है 3 times है. 1 is left, that is 1 upon 4. This is 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4. So 3 times 1 upon 4. 3 times what? 1 upon 4. So children, I think ये आपको सबको समझ में आ गया होगा. Let us come to the next question. Let us come to question number 2, that is some picture, that is A to C, means A, B and C. A, B and C. These are the pictures. These are given below. Tell which of them show. आपको ऊपर जो है, above I have given the fractions. Okay. These fractions are represented by these figures. अब कौन सी figure किसको represent कर रहा है, that you have to tell. See what is written. 3 into 1 by 5 means 1 by 5 3 times. That is equal to, that also they have given 3 ones are 3 upon 5. Now see here. Here what we are having, see first picture, this is 1 by 3 and this is also 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 क्या मिल गया? 2 by 3. Right children? Now 2 by 3. Now which is 2 by 3, see? Okay, here this is 2 by 3. Now see this one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and 3 are shaded. So 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4 plus 3 by 4. That means 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 upon 4. Means how many should be shaded? 9 should be shaded. And here how many should be shaded? 2 should be shaded. So 4, 4, 8 and 1, 9. So this is 9 by 4. Let us do this also, then we will see which is the fraction of which picture, right? Now see this one. This is what? 1 by 5. Okay, 1 by 5. And here also plus 1 by 5. Okay, plus 1 by 5. That is equal to 3 by 5. Now see what does this picture show? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 3 are shaded. So this is 3 by 5. Right? Now let us see. The first one is what given? 3 into 1 by 5. That is 1/5 comes 3 times. Now see, 1/5 comes 3 means 3 are shaded out of 5. 3 are shaded out of 5 is this one. So you can match it like this, or you can write C here. Right? Now see the second one. 2 into 1 by 3 that is equal to 2 upon 3. अब 2 upon 3 मतलब 2 shaded होना चाहिए and 3 में से 2 shaded होना चाहिए. Let us see. 1, 2, 3 में से 2 shaded, 2 by 3. So this one is this. That is A part. Right? Now come to the next one, that is 3 into 3 by 4 means 3 by 4 3 times. 3 by 4 3 times. See what is our answer? 2 in bracket 1 by 4. इसको अगर हम solve करते हैं तो what you will get? Okay, you will get 2 upon 4 that is equal to, no, not 2 by 4. 2 4s are 8, 9 by 4. See children, here we are having 9 by 4. Now see which is having 9 by 4? 3 by 4 3 times. अब यहाँ देखेंगे, this is complete 1, 2 and third का 1 part, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9 by 4 आया. अब यहाँ देखते हैं, 2 is 1 by 4 means 2 into 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, or we can write it like this. 2 4s are 8 plus 1, 9 by 4. अब देखेंगे हम, as it is given in mixed fraction तो हमने उसको improper कर दिया. Now see 9 by 4. 9 by 4 is B part. So its answer is this one. So this is what? B part. Understood this one? So in this way you will do the matching of these questions. Let us come to the next question. Let us come to third question children. That is fourth one question. Third question is little bit different. So I have taken all the figure type question for you this time. Okay. In next video we will do what? Multiplication and all that in the next question. Now see. The fourth question is shade. You have to shade the picture, right? Now see the first one. Shade 1 by 2 of the circles, okay, of box A. सबसे पहले हम लोग box A करेंगे. Box A में what? Half of the circle. So firstly what you have to do? You have to find out half of the circle कितना होगा. Count the circles first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Half of. Of का मतलब क्या होता है? Of means multiplication. Half of 9. Okay? So half of 9 is, ये तो कटेगा नहीं. Half of 9, it will not go. It is 9 only, na? 4 3s are 12. No, it is 12. Wait. It is what? 12. 3 more circles should be there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now let's see. This is what? 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12. So half of 12 is what? 6. So how many circles you have to shade? That is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Right? So how you will write this? You will write this 6 upon 12, or this is equivalent to what? 1 by 2. Okay? Now let us come to the next one. 2 by 3 of the triangles. 2 by 3 of the triangles means 2 by 3 of the triangles. I will show you here. आपको count करने हैं पहले triangles. Firstly write 2 by 3 of what? 2 by 3 of what? Triangles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it is 9. अब देखो of का मतलब क्या होता है? Multiplication. So 3 की टेबल में 3 3s are 9 होता है. So 2 3s are is 6. So how many you have to shade? 6 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So firstly you have to find out कि आपको कितने shade करने हैं. How many you have to shade? That is 6. So shade the 6th one. Okay, now let us come to the third part. That is 3 by 5 of the squares. Now what you have to do of C? C is this one, okay? Up 3 by 5 of the square, 3 by 5 of, now count the number of square first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so 3 by 5 of 15. That is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. So how much is 3 into 3? That is equal to 9. How many you have to shade now? 9. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So how you can write it in this way. This is 6 by 9 and here it is what? 9 by how many? 15. 9 out of 15 is shaded. 15 में से 9 हमने shade किए. So in this way you will do the question number 1st, 2nd and 4th. Let us do other questions with me in my next video. Till then, goodbye children. Subscribe, like and share करना ना भूलें. Okay, thank you and have a nice